Welcome to EduAIthon 2025, a transformative event where the future of engineering education meets innovation. Hosted at RV College of Engineering, Bengaluru, in collaboration with IUCEE, this 48-hour hackathon brought together the brightest young minds to break down barriers and simplify complex engineering concepts. The pre-event for EduAIthon 2025 held on April 25 to 26 featured insightful sessions. The journey began long before the opening ceremony. Months of meticulous planning by the Spark team resulted in over 286 student registrations across dynamic teams. Together, they transformed the aerospace and information science labs into vibrant innovation zones. Every corner of the campus buzzed with creativity, a tangible atmosphere of excitement and possibility. The event officially kicked off with a grand inauguration ceremony, setting the stage for what was to come. The focus of day one? Problem framing. Teams dived into brainstorming and collaborating, defining their approach to real-world challenges. By the end of day one, Phase 1 evaluations took place, where teams were judged on their clarity, relevance, and initial strategy. The second day was all about turning ideas into reality. With guidance from expert mentors, teams sharpened their prototypes. Whether it was AR, VR, simulations, or AI-driven tools, their concepts came to life. Phase 2 evaluations emphasized quality of execution and early-stage innovation. The energy in the labs was palpable. Students weren't just building prototypes, they were shaping the future of education itself. As we approached the final day, the competition intensified. Phase 3 evaluations witnessed fully developed prototypes with teams presenting polished solutions before the jury. Detailed reports, final designs, and results were scrutinized, with teams sharing their journey, challenges faced, and innovations unlocked. Top teams from each panel made it to the final round, where they presented to an expert audience, showcasing their vision of tomorrow's engineering education. As the event drew to a close, the valedictory ceremony celebrated the outstanding performers who had not only displayed technical brilliance but also demonstrated leadership, resilience, and collaboration. EduAIthon 2025 wasn't just about innovation. It was about empowering the next generation of engineers to think outside the box and create solutions that matter. For the Spark team and organizers, EduAIthon was an immersive learning experience. From logistic management to real-time coordination and jury collaboration, we worked together to ensure a seamless event. Our focus on design thinking and user-centered innovation helped both participants and organizers grow. Through this event, we witnessed the incredible power of student-led change in education. The use of AI, AR, VR, and immersive simulations marked the beginning of a new era for engineering education, one where students are not just learners, but innovators, creators, and problem solvers. EduAIthon 2025 was a momentous event, a catalyst for change in engineering education, where learning became an experience, not just a lecture. With over 286 students, mentors, and industry experts coming together, it was a platform of innovation that will inspire future generations.